How to upload videos on Facebook page. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First thing first, head over to your application Facebook, enter login credential and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now head over to menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. So in this page, you need to head over to pages. Now choose one of your specific pages that you want to upload the video. All you want to do is click on it. And then tap on switch. Your page has been opened. Now click on what's on your mind at the top of the screen. You can see the option where it says photos or videos. Click on it. Tap on continue. Now simply choose the video that you want to upload it on your page. Let me select this video for now. Click on it. And then tap on next. Well, if you tap on the video, you can edit the cover or the video. Select the cover that you want to keep and then tap on save. Once done, you can see tons of different features over here. You can apply these features according to your need. After that, enter the title or the description for the post. Once you're done, tap on post now at the bottom of the screen. And then your video will be uploaded successfully. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can upload a video on Facebook page. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.